Up guys, I'm here with another vlog. So today guys, I am going to do a foot scrub on Stiff Breast Ent. So that's me. So here is it, your seat. Oh girl, foot tan bad. So not too bad, man. Yes guys, so me I go show you every little thing. Me I show you from front all the foot stay first before you go into the hot water. Yes. Yes, people. So stay tuned. I'm gonna throw my hot water on the thing and get it started. So guys, me add the water in. So I'm gonna put it in my foot now. Shaman, come plug in this to me, please. This is where I add it in. This is the detox. Detox salt. So guys, start it. So, oi, oi, the hot man. No. Rem trust my warm water pan hot. Alright, stop. Joking. So guys, this is the little shop that I am right now doing the pedicure. So if you want it to support Stiff Breast Ent Spa, just check me out. Yeah. So guys, I will get back to you. So guys, so me just take it out of the hot water. So me I go use my little grater. No. Me just show no little light. So this is it guys, see it?
So you never use that for my foot still?
Me never have that. Me just get this round there. Look. Oh. Get it off.
You see when you're putting the loose stuff in flesh.
It's so bad too. So guys, look. Inside it all. Yeah, keep inside now. Clean out it with this. Yeah. Me I do my foot so me apart. So me I take this now. Rub it. Rub it here so. Yeah. So guys, see it? Me have to have my foot right here so me can't have it on my lap like that. Me not have to do also. So well it'll work. It'll scrub anyway. So see there? Look in here. See it? Yeah, the foot I come off nice and so good. Nice and clean. Me clean out in my toe them already. We scrub the bottom. Scrub them. Scrub it off properly. See? So guys, alright, you're going to see. Go finish rub it up and then we show you the last of it. Yeah, stay tuned. Guys, me rub off. So let me two them. Let me go polish them anyway. they use it. Before. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video and see what you can learn from it, and if you want to give me a support you can link me up. So I will give you the next part. So let me finish up now. So me polish the foot there. Polish the foot so. So this is the last. Use the lotion and rub it right. That's my nephew, guys. My nephew right here. Don't use a lot. Okay, that can rub the 2 foot them. So you go rub from right here, so. So you can put that there on your shop. Me, I do one video. Where other one do? Where aisle? Come, right. So you want to film food for the guys in my. Robbie, excuse. Yes. And Sharman boy want to come rub foot. Robbie 2 of them rhyme. They must. Rub away so. Because I don't know who ain't afraid to rub my foot. Gotcha. Rub your foot now, boy. Gotcha, guys. So this is the me use on the last, guys. The lotion and the oil. Thanks for watching, guys. So guys, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about the Stiff Breast channel. I am out. Yes guys, this was a spa vlog. Yes, so maybe I give you 2 in 1. Okay.